Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling only the essentials. Get the water toothpick, a cup, and clean water. Fill the chamber to the max line and tighten the cap so it won't leak. Attach a new or inspected tip. This matters for pressure and safety. Turn the unit on low first. You want control. You're aiming for comfort and effectiveness, not force. Once done, position the tip at a 45 degrees angle to gums and prepare to work along one section. You now move through the mouth methodically. Start with the upper right quadrant and work toward the front, then the upper left. Keep the tip just above the gum line and trace each tooth's gum margin for 1 to 2 seconds. This dislodges food and plaque. Make sure to breathe and keep lips parted so water exits into the sink. If you encounter stubborn spots, slow down and repeat. Increasing pressure slightly can help, but don't force it. Transition to lower arch and repeat. You finish by rinsing your mouth and the device. Empty the chamber and run clean water through the tip to clear debris. Then power off and let components air dry before storing. If you notice bleeding or sensitivity, reduce pressure and focus on gentle passes. Gum tissue can adapt over a few days. If bleeding persists beyond a week, make sure to consult your dentist. Final check. Replace tips regularly and keep spare tips on hand so performance stays reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.